You want to look closer to the wall?
Yeah, I want to figure that out because I want to be in there to... We can get it in a minute.
Yeah, let's try to scoot it back this way, this whole glass. Because that little hump he was talking about, the glass is right on there. Yeah, just slide it over. Okay, good. Hold up, George. Let's see. Otherwise, with the top ones, you can put it inside too, any which way.
I'm just going to leave that loose for a little bit.
Right.
I'll actually loosen this one too.
So guys, 2 frameless shower barn doors installed. Chrome hardware, 3/8 glass.